Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tasks from Jira Service Management with SLA reset rules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw tasks from Jira Service Management with SLA reset rules, start by accessing your Jira account. Log into your Jira instance using your credentials. Navigate to the specific project associated with the tasks you want to withdraw. Locate the task that needs to be withdrawn from the current status. Check the current status of the task to ensure it is eligible for withdrawal. If the task is in progress, you may need to transition it to a status that allows withdrawal. Click on the task to open the detailed view. Look for the More button or the ellipsis, 3 dots, in the top right corner of the task window. Select the option to withdraw or transition the task based on its current status. Once you have chosen to withdraw the task, confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the action. Next, review the service level agreements, SLAs, associated with the task. Understand that withdrawing a task may impact its SLA status. In the SLA section, note if the conditions for resetting the SLA are met. To reset the SLA, ensure that the task is moved to an appropriate status that allows for this reset. Adjust the task details as needed to meet any specific SLA criteria. Save any changes to the task after adjusting the necessary details. You can now monitor the task to ensure the SLA resets appropriately based on the new conditions. Repeat this process for any additional tasks that need to be withdrawn and managed. Keep in mind the implications of SLA resets for future reporting and management. Finally, ensure frequent communication with your team regarding any task status changes to maintain workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.